How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. We are going to attempt to fix this rusty Scooby. Scotty's rusty Scooby. As you know, in the last video, I think it was, we painted the wing. That's still painted. But it's failed MOT.
Right,
for rustiness. Not even been for an MOT because he knew it would fail. So we need to fix sills. As you can see, we have a bit of rust and maybe rear arches. We don't really know how much there is. It's quite a bit though, so we're going to crack on. We have metal, we have welder, we have discs, wire wheels and all the gear, and we have Corona. So yeah, let's crack on. Yeah, there is more than just the sills and the arches that need repairing. Maybe got some bushes and stuff we need to do. And we need to have basically get it up in the air and check everything out, all the arms, all the suspension. Basically, so when it goes for MOT, we know it should pass. But on a slightly brighter note, April, first week of April, we are taking, well, I'm taking that. The plan is Scotty to take his Scooby, and there's a bunch of us, there's like 8 of us, all going to the Nurburgring. It will be on the YouTube, so like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see that, and see that thing go around the Nurburgring. First time tracking that car, so that'll be a laugh. But yeah, we need to sort this thing out first. This needs a little bit of work before we go, just a service and stuff, miniature things, nothing major. But yeah, let's get this thing working first. Take off wheel. Okay, guys, first issues we have found with MOT checking before we go for MOT is, as you can see there, anti-roll bar bushes, a bit crusty, they'll need changing. And we've also got the subframe bushes that bolts the subframe to the car. Obviously there's a part of the bush, they're a bit gone, but other than that, I mean, it's all surface rusty, but bush wise these are aftermarket, which is good. They've obviously got the newish bushes. These bushes are all fine. But yeah, it's just a subframe one. So I don't know whether it's worth to drop the whole subframe while we've got it up in the air. Obviously we've got to take the jack in a different place and do all the welding and the subframe with the bushes all in one. But we'll figure it out. Okay, we've got the side skirt off. Someone's already had a look at this, an actual professional, and started chipping away at all the filler. So yeah, pretty dodge, but it's all fixable. The skyline looked like this before I attacked it.
Right,
no, it does not. Right, as you can see, we have a whole replacement sill, but I don't know if we're going to replace the whole sill because it's only this bit that's rusty. It looks like it's been repaired after someone's had an accident, because all this is really dented and been filled over the top of. So I'm assuming it got dented, then it started rusting with all the paint being chipped off, and then someone's just cleaned the rust off and filled it over the top of it, and it's just gone real bad. But all the front, I mean, it's not mint, but it's nowhere near as bad as this. Obviously we'll check it all, but yeah, we're going to do the back bit definitely, not the whole bit so far. Choppy chop.
Right. Make sure I've got the right bit.
Scotty's going to cut his car up. Just the outer sill. Okay, little update. Done a good bit of progress so far. Chopped out a lot of the main rust. As you can see, all the rest of the sill's fine, so we're not going to do that. This is literally like a patch job, if you want to say. So yeah, we're going to basically put a piece in a sill here, piece of straight metal for a lip going all the way down, welded to that part. Make a new box section at the back here with a little lip as well, so it's like it's basically 3 sheets of metal, and then the outer sill will go over the top, and then you know what I mean? Look at that. And then obviously we'll sort all this bit out later. Right, another update. We have one piece of metal, the middle bit of metal. Obviously we've got to do the inner sill still, and obviously the outer sills, that bit. But the middle bit, obviously going to start welding a little bit, tack welding it and hammering it in the spot, into place, trimming it all down, and that'll be the middle bit complete once we've done a bit of cleaning as well. Scotty's first ever welding. Professional Scotty. The thing is, a lot of the metal don't line up properly, does it?
No.
Right, that is the activities today complete. Not great welds, but they are on there. Obviously it's nowhere near complete, that's just the middle bit, the middle sill, whatever you're going to call it, with some zinc primer on the top so that it doesn't rust again. Continuation will be on tomorrow.
That was class.
One piece of Subaru.
One piece of Subaru. To go with the other pieces of Subaru. As you can see, we are building. It's a little. I don't know if you'll be able to see. No light, but we have welded the inner sill. But yes.
Right, my guys, little update. We have done the inner sill, outer sill, looks banging, looks like it should do from factory. We just need to make a little box section there to box that bit off, and now that's this side done. And obviously do a little bit of, make that back to how it used to be. And yeah, job done on this side. Okay guys, another update. Ignore loud Scotty. We've completed this sill, as you can see. All good. I mean, it's not a perfect job, but it is. Can you see that? Complete. We obviously need to paint it, but we're going to do the other side first. Scotty's found a little bit more than he expected on this side, but it's nowhere near as bad as the other side was. So we'll do that side and then get it all painted and then start on the subframe. Right guys, we have completed the sills. As you can see, Scotty's gone a bit crazy with the seam sealer, but metal is there now, no holes, both sides. Obviously we still need to paint it. Stuck some primer on and that's it, and a bit of seam sealer. Obviously it's not mint, but it'll do, no more holes. That's going to be it for this video, because obviously that was just the sills and the rusty bits. But yeah, like I subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We're going to be cracking on with the subframe droppage in the next video. Take it easy guys.